episode of unboxing. But now we're gonna
a new one.
another one.
Yeah.
It's a new release.
A new series.
Yeah, new
Of a
series.
plushie.
What is the name of the plush now?
Nyota!
It's Nyota. So yun yung bagong release ng Pop Mart. The series, which is called Nyota. Nyota. Yan, so
Nyota.
here we go. Yan, si Nyota. Parang siyang anime. Eto na, wait. I'm gonna show this. Parang siyang anime. It looks like an anime. She's a girl. Yan, and then show this to them.
So this is all the character what is inside. And,
Yeah.
and there's so many characters.
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9. Bali 9 flash daw siya. Testing lang naman natin. We just need to try this series. Yan. Okay, yan yung mga name niya. Si Goodnight Kitty. Ano to?
Hi
Lumi. Hi Lumi.
3 p.m. Let's draw. Happy harvest. Star catcher.
Next.
Hopscotch.
Hopscotch. Hopscotch and
Sanina.
Nice. Sanina.
And the secret don't have name.
Yan sila. From here. Binasa namin yung from here. Here and this one.
And my favorite is everything. But not this two.
All except those two. May see who's that? Si Let's Draw. Ayaw mo?
And
Starcatcher. Don't like? Pambebe nga yung Starcatcher.
I know. So that's why I don't like it. Cause it
Yeah, I
has
only
like...
like the Goodnight Kitty because
Oh yeah, me
they have
too.
a good costume.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's so cute. Yeah, okay.
Okay. So, let's unbox it.
Yeah.
Nyota. Ito pala yung series niya. Where Moments Meet. Pop Mart X Nyota. Where Moments Meet. Okay. So, let's go. Let's do this, ate. You can
This is the box.
unbox now. Okay, wait. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yan. Wala, tanggal na susi at the key. Okay.
And this is the door. It's very hard to open.
Oh.
It's so hard to open now.
Wait. May ano siya, may sack. Okay, sige, may sack siya. Oh, baka makita mo yung card.
I didn't saw the card.
Okay, bigyan muna natin ito kay Mami.
And this is the package.
Yan, ang maganda rin yung package niya. Ganito na ngayon ng Pop Mart. May mga parang naka-seal na siya sa loob. Kasi kapag open mo agad like Labubu, when you open, ano na agad, direct. So yan, where moments are meet. So, let's go to the second part.
Let's go. Here's the opening because you can see this little hole here.
Yeah, steer here.
Okay, we're gonna
Yeah,
turn
that's right.
it right. How about your eyes?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. May I touch also? Ganun din yung face niya. Vinyl din.
Happy.
Okay. Ganun din yung paa niya. Parang labubu yata.
I know it's not a cat.
Okay. Wala siyang. Walang head. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Who's that? Ayaw mo yata si ano.
Oh, okay. I thought it was Let's Draw.
It's
Happy Harvest.
Happy Harvest! Yan, kulit ng mata niya, tsaka may ilong siya. Nakahiwalay na yung yung pendant niya, nakahiwalay na.
What is the card?
So yan, nakahiwalay na yung pendant. Yan. Maganda yung niya, may tomat. Damit niya.
Tomat.
Yeah.
It's tomato.
Yan. Tomat en français.
Yeah.
So, yan.
Tomato.
Okay. Meron siya. Ang weird ng mata niya, parang
Hey, why how weird?
nagugulat na anime. Shocked. Ano yan? Ah, natatanggal ang damit.
Ah!
Yeah, oo nga, nangungubadan. Nangungubadan siya.
Oh, don't take it off.
Yeah,
wait,
look.
wait, I think I saw it like a something.
Mm.
Oh, I thought they were like something. His arm. I thought they were like scars.
So siguro, they plan to make design
And here,
separately for the clothes.
and here it's Danyota. And here is the car, and I don't know why there's two cars.
Oh, why two cars?
I don't know.
I see. The world is my playground. Ang pares lang naman. Ito nga. Para siyang picture. Para siyang Instax.
Like maybe they put two for you, one for you lost.
Ito siya.
Oops.
Hindi nagagalaw yun eh.
Yes, why it's moving then like
A
this?
little. But hindi siya... yung paa, okay. Yan, yung paa.
It's naked with feet. Feet naked without shoes.
Okay. Nyota.
And here, this is the keychain.
Pendant.
This time, it's separated now.
Siguro protektahan na nila yung pendant. Siguro dahil nagagasgas, kakaalog ng mga bumibili. Right? Like mommy.
Yeah,
So yan, complete na siya. Pwede na isabit sa mga bag. May sasabit na naman ng bago si Ate Lia. Papasok ng kanyang school. Yan, pwede siya i-customize ng damit.
Just smell just like the others.
Tapos, by the way, before we finish this video, we've got a freebies from Pop Mart. Binigyan nila tayo ng freebies kasi may mga... Siyempre, pag bibili ka, may points.
And it's a figurine.
Ah, it's a figurine niya.
And there's two figurines.
Yeah.
And they just show the box though. They show the figurine.
Yeah, take it.
Ah!
Yeah.
And it's Twinkle Twinkle.
Twinkle. One freebies lang po. Bigay ni Pop Mart. I don't know, I don't remember. But I think it's from the points when we buy because we have already a lot of points. Yeah.
And this is a bubble tea. As you can see those little dots here. And this is like, I don't know, I think it's like like syrup. I think it's like syrup.
Okay, so let's
Open
open.
it!
Wait, ano yan?
Yeah.
Sige, go. Ano ba open yan? Slide lang yata. So yan. Show them. Yan. Okay, remove mo. Plastic.
Fragile.
Okay, partner siya.
Ah, so cute.
Yan. And then para sa Twinkle.
So they're looking at each other.
Yeah.
Tada!
Okay, meron pala. Nasa damit yung pangalan. Yan.
Wait, I think we think.
Cherry and
Milk tea.
milk tea naman.
Together.
So that's it for today's video. Ang pag-unbox ng Nyota, the new release of Pop Mart. So yeah, at ang freebie na bigay nila, Twinkle Twinkle figurine. So thank you for watching.
See you next time or
Yeah.
see you soon.
Yeah, and like, follow, share, comment para kung may request kayong other series na gusto nyo i-unbox namin, so yun. And para magkaroon pa tayo ng mga ganitong content. Okay, unboxing content. Nakakatuwa naman siya. Tsaka collection din ng mga kids. Okay. So, thank you very much again and see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.